35 years back, Vadi Prabhadevi was actually called as that.
Is they said that we are giving you inside the flat. Deck is wastage. The builders who actually told people that we give you such large decks are now saying their decks are wastage. Karke andar lo. Why? They can charge you for it.
As per my estimates, actually, we're going to add more than 27,000 apartments in next 7 years, including freaking every building in Lower Parel Worli. Fire has so many options, you will never get a read.
Then one day a client just walked. I would like to buy it. Can you get me the best deal? Now I am still thinking at this point, 20 minutes, who does a 27 CR transaction?
Was doing one transaction wherein the rental value was nearly 7.5 lakh. Talk about the amenities which come inside the flat, or what the landlord would do, or what the tenant would do. There was one thing which was not discussed because it was something which was very small, was for the bank.
Is today people go to community is for the people who stay there. People today don't have to go outside their building to network. I think so gentry is playing the important role in deciding which building commands what.